Hello everyone, meet Amandeep Singh, who's a recruitment coordinator at St. Lawrence College in Kingston, Canada. Hi Aman.
Hi Ganga ma'am, how are you?
Good. So Aman, I see that Kingston is ranked #1 city for students in Canada. So
Yes.
tell us something about it.
So hi everyone, as already informed, St. Lawrence College, it's a public college located in Ontario province. We have got 3 campuses, Kingston, Brockville and Cornwall. Kingston is the largest campus which has all the basic amenities what are required for the student life to live a great life over there.
Okay. And also I hear that there's a lot of affordable accommodation across your 3 campuses. So
True that.
tell us something about the living costs and...
So the best part is when it comes to the accommodation, we are having on-campus, off-campus accommodation in all the 3 campuses. We are supporting students in terms of homestay, in terms of finding the off-campus accommodation as well. So that's the best part about it. And we are also offering the meals as well. So if any student wants to opt for it, we are definitely going to support them.
Okay, the Brockville campus is located in the famous region of Thousand Islands,
True that.
which is so big for tourism and hospitality,
True
right?
that. Yeah.
So there'll be a lot of fun time that the students can have there too.
Indeed.
Just tell them
So
something
when
about
it comes to Brockville, of course, it's situated in Thousand Islands, and the best part is student has they can spend their leisure time with their friends, and there are a lot of sports activities which are being, I would say, conducted over there, and student can definitely enjoy that leisure time with them, with their friends.
Okay, and what is currently of great anxiety to students are the programs that are aligned with the labor market. So what kind of specialized programs do you think you offer which are really good in terms of employability?
So when it comes to the employability, I would definitely recommend some of the very popular programs. Those are like Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Practical Nursing, and the skill trade programs what we are offering. And if any student is looking forward for the skill trade programs, I would just like to give you the glimpse that we have got programs like mechanical technician, welding, and I would say electrical courses also. And if any student, I would say, if more of the student like females are interested for the hairstyling courses or esthetician, we do offer those programs as well.
Great. Thank you so much, Aman.
Most
It was
welcome,
great
ma'am.
talking to you.
Same here. Thank you.